This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello, crafters. In this video, I will explain how to get the builder's wand, a truly essential tool for any serious builder. This incredible item will revolutionize your construction projects, allowing you to place blocks with unprecedented speed and precision. We will cover the primary method of obtaining it, ensuring you can add this powerful wand to your inventory and start building bigger and better structures right away. Let's dive in. Your first step is to head over to the bustling community center in CraftersMC. Once there, keep an eye out for a special non-player character named Zoe. She is easily recognizable and serves as the gatekeeper to many valuable items. Interacting with Zoe will grant you access to the official gems shop, where the builder's wand awaits your purchase. Finding her is key to your building success. Once you are at Zoe's gems shop, you will find the builder's wand available for purchase. It comes as part of a convenient bundle, which also includes a handy block zapper. The total cost for this powerful duo is 3,950 sky block gems. You can acquire these gems by purchasing them directly from the official CraftersMC store or by consistently voting for the server. While the gems shop is the primary source, you might also find the builder's wand listed by other players on the in-game auction house. Be prepared for a significant investment, as these player-sold wands often cost tens of millions of in-game coins. Once you have your wand, use it to effortlessly expand your island, create massive farms, or construct intricate bases with incredible speed and precision. Happy building!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.